Okay. Kyle is still Chief Sustainability Officer at XYZ Corporation, a company which has publicly committed to an energy and carbon reduction goal of 20% by 2015. Let's see how the embedded knowledge and best practices within SAP Carbon Impact helps Kyle profitably reduce his company's energy and carbon footprint. Apart from energy and carbon reduction, the CEO wants to measure Kyle's performance based on the associated cost savings as well. To reach the 20% reduction goal, Kyle needs a well-balanced portfolio of projects with different abatement expectations, investment levels, and time horizons. Okay, so using SAP Carbon Impact, the first thing Kyle does is calculate a credible baseline of XYZ Corporation's energy and carbon footprint. Kyle then compares energy and carbon intensity across operations, regions, products, and the entire supply chain. For example, he uses the system's analytical capabilities to benchmark and identify facilities that are poorly performing on energy, so that he can focus on them. Kyle also uses the external benchmarking data integrated in SAP Carbon Impact, such as data from Energy Star. With Energy Star ratings, for example, Kyle benchmarks XYZ Corporation's buildings against similar buildings in other companies. Peer-to-peer comparisons will also soon be possible. As more and more companies use SAP Carbon Impact, it will become possible to compare your performance against aggregate data from peers in the industry. Kyle also uses the business case templates within the product. Given that these templates have been created from the collective experience of many companies, they make it easy for him to model different types of projects, such as those for lighting efficiency or solar panels. Kyle also benefits from the shared experience of other SAP customers. This experience is encapsulated in a growing library of abatement projects and results. This gives Kyle ideas for new projects and helps him to benchmark existing projects. Armed with this knowledge, Kyle also takes advantage of a host of analytical tools for modeling, forecasting, and portfolio analysis to construct a marginal abatement cost curve for his company. The curve helps him prioritize his projects and investments at both the corporate level and by location or unit. All of this helps Kyle to identify the main levers for energy and carbon reduction. Lastly, with predefined dashboards, Kyle easily monitors the progress of the portfolio at all levels of the company. SAP Carbon Impact helps global organizations like XYZ Corporation to profitably reduce their enterprise energy and carbon footprint. It doesn't only provide the tools, it also provides the codified knowledge from SAP and its large ecosystem of partners and customers across different industries. SAP Carbon Impact. It's good for Kyle, good for XYZ Corporation, and good for our planet.